Hello guys, this is Coding Magic YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna show you how we can download VirtualBox and install Linux Mint Cinnamon in our Windows 10 machine. So it is just follow me, and should be not so difficult. So first go to the virtualbox.org. This is an official website to download the VirtualBox, and if you just check my description part of this video, I'm gonna put this link there, and go to downloads here, and in downloads part you will see the different types of operating systems that can be downloaded for the VirtualBox. So this is since we are going to install Windows, click on the Windows host, and this is one of 3 megabyte, and it should be pretty quick to download. And right now we're gonna click on executable file. Click on the executable file, and from here we will now install the VirtualBox. So the installation has started, and click on next. Leave as default everything, click on next, and here you can choose all of them, or I'm just gonna not choose this one, create shortcut in a quick launch bar, and then go to next and click yes, and click on install. Right now the installation is going on, and soon it will be completed. So guys, the installation has completed of VirtualBox, and click finish, and right now the VirtualBox software will be opened here. Yeah, this is the first step. And next step, go to the linuxmint.com. This is an official website to download the image file of Linux Mint. Linux Mint is an open source and a free operating system, and it doesn't cost any money, so this is completely free, and this is one of the most popular used Linux distro in the world. And go to their download, click on download button here, and if you don't have this link, you can just type on Google, search for Linux Mint, or you can directly go to this website, or I'm gonna put the link in the description part of this video. Just check it. And here, this is the Linux Mint 21 Ulusa. I don't know how you pronounce this one. It's Ulusa. Yeah, Ulusa. And here we have different editions. So this is Cinnamon edition, and this is then Matte edition, and this is an X-Force edition. The Cinnamon edition is one of the most popular, and I'm just gonna click on Cinnamon edition here. And here you will see the information about this Cinnamon 64-bit edition. This is the size is 109 gigabyte, and release notes we have, announcements, and also here since I'm the US, I can use any of those US links. It will download faster here, but you can use the world, any link here, and according to the place you live, it has a lot of things here. So I'm just gonna choose the this one, the USA one, advancedhosters.com. You can choose any of those, it doesn't matter. And as you can see, the video size, the file size is 1.9 gigabyte, and it will take some time. Since I have very fast internet, it will take only 2 minutes from me, but it may take more time to you. Just wait. I'm gonna pause the video here. Hello again, guys. So this Linux Mint ISO image file has completed, and so right now it is in my downloads folder here. If you want to see it, I'm gonna just go to my folder and downloads. Here I will see Linux Mint 20 Cinnamon 64-bit, and now go to your Oracle VM VirtualBox manager here, and if it's closed, please open it. And one second, let me close this one. And from here you need to click on new, and what we can choose is, let's say, coding magic Linux Mint. Let's say Linux Mint, and here type, this is the type is Linux, then version we're gonna choose let me see here, Linux, 1 second. As you can see here, there is no Linux Mint version available in VirtualBox, but the closest one is Ubuntu 64-bit. You need to choose Ubuntu 64-bit. Don't get afraid if you don't find the Linux Mint. Just choose Ubuntu 64-bit and click on Next. And here you will be choosing the size of allocated RAM, so memory size. It's 3 GB should be fine, so I'm gonna give 3 GB, and this amount of RAM will be allocated only when you are using the VirtualBox. So when you are only using the open the Linux Mint, click on Next, and here select create a VirtualBox hard disk now, create, and here select the VDI VirtualBox disk image. This is the default one. Next, and select the dynamically allocated. This is always the best one. Click on Next, and here it's asking for to allocate the hard disk size, and 10 GB is enough, but you can give more if you want. 20 you can give, or just I'm gonna give 10 GB. It is enough for me, and just click on create. Yes, right now we created the new Coding Magic Linux Mint in our VirtualBox manager, and now we need to set some configurations here, and click on settings, and first thing we're gonna change it, go to systems and go to processor here, and it is right now in 1 CPU. It's we need to change to 2 because it makes our Linux Mint works more faster, so please make sure to choose 2. And here go to storage here, and right now we need to give the image file we have downloaded the folder location for this one. Go to the controller ID. Under that you will see this one, empty disk, and click here disk icon and choose a disk file. Click on this one, and from here go to downloads where you have downloaded the Linux Mint image file, and select on and open this file and click OK. Then right now we need to only select this one and click on start button, and this installation will launch. Click on start, and you need to wait a little bit here. So right now the creating process for virtual machine Coding Magic Linux Mint is going on. You need to be patient, and it will be completed soon, so just wait here. I'm just pausing the video here. So guys, this is asking for select a startup disk, and you need to select it will show that you have then Linux Mint image ISO. So select that one and click start, and moments later the Linux Mint will launch installation here. So right now Linux Mint is launching here, so that's cool. Here as you can see, we have launched the Linux virtual machine, and this is the Linux Mint, and you can from now on you can use this. This is one of the most popular, as I told, one of the most popular free Linux distributions, and it is looks like the Windows. You know, here the UI part, and you have here the option, and you will have all your files, all your software, and all your stuff. And thank you guys. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this video, and if you have any questions, please comment down below. Thank you very much. Have a good day.